22nd January Grand Consecration Ceremony of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya, several members of the National Students Union of India held a protest at Congress Bhavan in Bengaluru. People wore costumes from Ramayana and they stated that it was the God who had created them instead of BJP RSS. KirtiGanesh, the state president of NSUI, took a jibe at RSS ideology and symbolically burned it. He even praised Congress leader RahulGandhi's BharatJodoNyayYatra to avoid divisive politics.
Sir, it is a basic thing that God has created the universe. The sand, the mud, the tree, whatever we are seeing, the sun, the moon, from sun to moon to the universe, the God has created us. It's not the BJP who has created. It's from the God which has arranged everything. So these BJP people are trying to show us that they have created the God. They have brought in the God, they have introduced the God to the world. This is not the thing. So we just wanted to demonstrate that God has created us. It's not the BJP party, it's not the RSS, it's not the RSS ideology who has created us. It's the constitution which is running in this country, and everybody is bound to be a constitutional man who are bound by the constitution. So that is the RSS ideology. We just wanted to symbolically burn the RSS ideology. So that is why we burned the cheddi of RSS.
So what's the message like overall? Like,
so we don't want the RSS ideology which is running out. We strongly condemn it. It's not about only Rahul Gandhi himself alone. It can be to any other citizen. Everybody is facing this issue. So whoever raise their voice, whoever say their concerns, they are brutally been treated. They have become a victim. It's not so. So whoever has an issue, whoever raising a voice, should be given an opportunity. That's what says in the constitution. So definitely they are worried. Definitely Rahul Gandhi is a honest man and truth. He is speaking the truth, so they are afraid. That's why they are trying to stop Rahul Gandhi Yatra. If they are not feared, if they don't have any concerns towards Rahul Gandhi, then they should have not bothered about all these things.